First, functional advantages. Textured linen foam sticker has excellent moisture-proof and mildew-proof properties, which is particularly suitable for home environments in rainy areas in Europe and can effectively prevent the wall from getting moldy and black. Second, aesthetic design. Textured mold-proof wallpaper features linen texture, which brings a simple and natural visual experience. It can be perfectly adapted to both Nordic style and simple modern style decoration. Third, convenient installation. Mold-proof wall sticker has a simple installation process. No professional is required. You can quickly complete the wall decoration by yourself, saving labor costs. Want to know more about the procurement channels and discount information of this hot product in advance? Follow me and I will reveal it to you.